Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some roll races between the Veloster N and the Focus ST. We're going to be doing some different rolls at like 40, 30, 20 and different gears, second, third gear. All right, so let's get on into it. Alright guys, so we were back from the roll races. After we did all that, we went into In-N-Out Burger. Best burgers in Southern California, don't at me. So John's Veloster N destroyed my car in every single race, especially when we get up to higher speeds, and especially when he enters fourth gear. And what did you say?
It's that Korean VTEC.
Korean VTEC. Yeah, I would agree. It's almost like my car was standing still when he shifts into fourth gear. It's pretty sad. Yeah, so the Focus loses so much horsepower on the top end, as you guys can clearly see by all the footage. My horsepower graph must decline significantly. And if you notice in the videos, when we first started at 40, 30, or 20 miles an hour, I got a huge jump. That's because the Stage 2 tune on the Focus ST adds about 80 torque, so it puts me at about 350 foot-pounds of torque, which is a lot. And how much does the Veloster N have?
260.
260, so
almost 100 less.
Yeah, so this thing's a little torque machine. So obviously at lower speeds, I'm gonna take a huge jump, but obviously the Veloster N doesn't lose as much horsepower on the top end, which this car does, and that makes sense. Why, when you approach high speeds, that the Veloster N is going to take over and win the race every time. However, in a more practical setting, that is not always the case. When you're just driving around having fun, you don't really get to, you know, go that fast.
Reach 120.
Exactly. So
I mean,
we're, yeah.
50.
Oh yeah, 50 miles an hour. Yeah. That's all we went to. We're gonna go recreate a more realistic race to like 60 or 70 miles an hour, and we'll see who comes out on top. Obviously the Focus probably my car will probably come out on top, but we're gonna go do that, and I'm gonna record this on my iPhone, and I'm gonna go put it on the street so you guys get a cool view. So that'll be cool. So let's go to that footage right now. All right, so as you can see from that footage, where the camera was placed, it was a really close race, but I think I came out in front by just a tiny bit. And obviously if we kept going to higher up speeds, John would have overtaken me quite easily. But you know, we're trying to do a more realistic setting. Yeah, it just comes down to the Focus making more torque. I think that's just about it. But you know, overall the Veloster N is definitely faster. So all right guys, that is it for this video for the roll races. Let us know down below in the comments if you want to see any other type of style of racing. We thought about doing it from a dig, but you know, these are both front wheel drive cars, and we both kind of suck at launching our cars.
Both kind of suck.
Yeah, we both kind of suck, and I don't like doing it. I feel so bad for the clutch doing that, and I mean, yeah, we can do it from a dig if you want. Maybe we practice a little bit before we do it, and then we can try it. If yeah, so just comment anything down below, anything you want to see in the future of these two cars. And yeah, I appreciate everybody locking. Please drop a like, consider subscribing. It'll help out the channel a ton.
I had to.
All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.